Alright, so here we are at the West Plains Mall Railroad Club layout again, and we're going to take a look at this control system that they got here, which is a DC and DCC system. And how it works, it's got these little toggle switches right here where you can run this layout in a variety of combinations. You can run it both loops DCC, both loops DC, or one loop DCC and DC. So, and the DCC system is the MRC Prodigy Advance. Dylan, is this the new version or the old version? Advanced squared? Okay. And so this is a Prodigy Advance squared DCC system, and then this is the DC power pack, Auto Pulse Twin Momentum 5. And I'll tell you, that's an interesting power pack. I ain't never seen one of those before. Where'd you find that one? Where? Oh, it was donated. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, okay. And of course, this knob controls the outside loop, and this knob controls the inside loop, just like it's labeled there. So anyway, we'll just kind of take a tour around the layout here. So we have the Piggly Wiggly building, the Red Owl building, and the J.R. Watkins building. Coming around here, we got some buildings here, the fire department. Nice buildings there. Got some kind of a feed mill or something right there. Keep coming around. We'll just keep on cruising around here. Oh, look at there. We got Santa Fe 3784. I believe that engine runs, don't it, Dylan? It don't? Either way, it's still a nice looking engine. And we got what's is 63 highway in real life, crossing over the tracks. And we got this business up here. Nice looking buildings there. Of course, the train going into a tunnel right there. Got that. And here's the module built by the late Scott Weatherford, complete with the bridge and the hidden Bigfoot. Water tower right there. There's that. Keep coming around here. More nice buildings right through here. Got campgrounds, creek. There's the church. There's where the little speeder car is kept. There's a little speeder right there. And we got a farm right here. So there's a quick little tour of the West Plains Mall Railroad Club's HO layout. But of course, we got to come over here to the N-scale layout again, because Heath over Humanity Junction, this is the only layout he would care about. Right here will be this N-scale layout. So there it is in all of its glory.
So there it is, and it'll be set up for the Christmas display as well. So okay, there's the tour. So I'll just go ahead and